Imagine a spear hurtling through the air, aimed at a target. The precision, the speed, the sheer power of its flight captivates us. We marvel at the spear's sharpness, its aerodynamic design, and the skill of the thrower who launched it with such accuracy. We often celebrate the spear's sharpness, the thrower's skill. We see the culmination of practice, dedication, and talent in that single, breathtaking moment. But what about the force behind that throw? What about the unseen energy, the momentum that propels the spear forward? It's easy to overlook, yet it's the very essence of the throw's success. What about the unseen weight that propels the spear towards success? This force is not just physical, it's the culmination of countless hours of preparation, the mental fortitude, and the unwavering support from those around the thrower. This, my friends, is the essence of be the weight behind the spear. It's a concept that transcends the physical act of throwing a spear and delves into the deeper, often overlooked aspects of success. This book dives deep into the often overlooked power of teamwork and support systems. It explores how the collective effort of a group can drive an individual to achieve greatness. It's about recognizing that behind every great achievement there's a network of individuals working tirelessly, often behind the scenes, to make it happen. These unsung heroes provide the foundation upon which success is built. Think of the dedicated team behind an Olympic athlete, the coaches who refine their technique, the trainers who build their strength, and the nutritionists who ensure they are in peak condition. The coaches, trainers, nutritionists, and even the psychologists who help them maintain their mental edge. Each of these individuals plays a crucial role in the athlete's journey to success. And let's not forget the family members who provide emotional support, encouragement, and a sense of stability. They are the silent pillars that hold everything together. It's easy to get caught up in individual glory, to see the athlete standing on the podium, and think of their achievement as a solitary triumph. But this book reminds us that true success is rarely a solo act. It's a collective effort, a symphony of contributions from people who understand that their role, however small it may seem, is vital to the bigger picture. The book encourages us to appreciate and acknowledge the importance of every contribution. It teaches us that being the weight behind the spear is just as important as being the spear itself. Whether you're a leader or a supporter, your role is indispensable in the pursuit of success. Through real-life examples and insightful anecdotes, Be the Weight Behind the Spear illustrates how teamwork and collaboration can lead to extraordinary outcomes. It shows us that when we work together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. The book also highlights the importance of mentorship and guidance. It emphasizes that experienced individuals can provide invaluable support and wisdom to those who are just starting their journey. Ultimately, Be the Weight Behind the Spear is a celebration of the power of community. It reminds us that we are stronger together and that our collective efforts can propel us to new heights. So, the next time you see a spear soaring through the air, remember the force behind it. Remember the countless individuals who contributed to that moment of triumph. And remember that you too can be the weight behind the spear, driving success in your own unique way. If you found this summary inspiring, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rich Reads for more insightful book summaries. Your support helps us bring you more content that can propel you towards success. Be the Weight Behind the Spear emphasizes that true teamwork goes beyond simply working alongside each other. It's not just about being in the same room or working on the same project. It's about creating a bond that transcends individual tasks and responsibilities. It's about fostering a deep sense of unity, where every member feels connected to a common goal. This unity is not superficial. It is built on trust, mutual respect, and a shared vision. A shared purpose that binds individuals together, making them feel like they are part of something bigger than themselves. This sense of belonging is crucial for any team to thrive. This shared purpose becomes a driving force, propelling everyone forward with a collective energy that's far more potent than any individual effort. When everyone is aligned and working towards the same objective, the synergy created can lead to remarkable achievements. Think of a rowing team perfectly synchronized, each member pulling their weight in unison. The harmony and coordination required in such a team are immense, and it is this synchronization that leads to success. Their individual strengths, when combined, create a powerful force that propels the boat towards the finish line. This analogy perfectly captures the essence of teamwork, individual talents and efforts merging to create something extraordinary. This is the beauty of unity. It transforms individual efforts into a collective force capable of achieving extraordinary things. When people come together with a shared purpose, their combined efforts can lead to outcomes that are far greater than the sum of their parts. The book emphasizes that this sense of unity doesn't just happen overnight. It is a process that requires time, patience, and dedication. Building a cohesive team is like nurturing a plant. It needs constant care and attention. It requires conscious effort, open communication, and a willingness to put the team's needs above personal agendas. Open communication is the cornerstone of any successful team. It ensures that everyone is on the same page and that any issues are addressed promptly. It's about understanding that when one person succeeds, the entire team succeeds. Celebrating each other's successes and supporting each other through challenges strengthens the bond within the team. This collective mindset is what transforms a group of individuals into a true team, capable of achieving great things together. Imagine a group of people all pulling a rope in different directions. Chaos, right? That's what happens when a team lacks a shared vision. Be the weight behind the spear stresses the importance of aligning individual goals with the overarching objective. When everyone understands the destination and their role in reaching it, efforts become focused and impactful. It's like using a magnifying glass to focus sunlight. Scattered rays have little effect, but when concentrated, they can create immense heat. The book provides practical strategies for establishing this shared vision. It encourages open dialogue, active listening, and clearly defined roles and responsibilities. When everyone is on the same page, working towards a common goal, the impossible becomes achievable. Section 4. The strength of the collective embracing individuality for group gain. While unity is crucial, Be the Weight Behind the Spear also acknowledges the importance of individual strengths. Each person in a team brings something unique to the table. It encourages us to view a team not as a homogeneous unit, but as a collection of unique individuals, each bringing their own skills and perspectives to the table. This diversity of thought and experience is what makes a team truly dynamic and innovative. Think of a puzzle. Each piece is different, yet they all fit together to create a complete picture. Similarly, a team thrives when it embraces diversity, recognizing that each member's unique talents contribute to the overall success. When individuals feel their unique contributions are valued, they are more likely to be engaged and committed to the team's goals. The book encourages leaders to foster an environment where individuals feel valued and empowered to contribute their best. This means creating a culture of inclusion and respect, where everyone's voice is heard and appreciated. It emphasizes the importance of recognizing and appreciating individual differences, understanding that these differences are not weaknesses but rather valuable assets that enrich the team as a whole. By leveraging the diverse strengths of its members, a team can achieve greater creativity, problem-solving, and overall performance. The book also highlights the importance of continuous learning and growth. Encouraging team members to pursue their interests and develop their skills not only benefits the individual but also enhances the team's capabilities. Leaders play a crucial role in this process by providing opportunities for professional development and creating an environment where learning is valued. When team members feel supported in their personal and professional growth, they are more likely to contribute their best efforts and innovative ideas. In conclusion, embracing individuality within a team setting is not just beneficial, but essential for achieving collective success. By recognizing and valuing the unique strengths of each member, fostering a culture of inclusion, and supporting continuous learning, teams can unlock their full potential and achieve remarkable outcomes. Remember, a team is only as strong as its individual members. Embrace diversity, encourage growth, and watch your team thrive. Section 5. Fueling the fire, motivation and support as the driving force. Even with a shared vision and diverse talents, a team needs fuel to keep moving forward. Be the Weight Behind the Spear highlights the importance of motivation and support in maintaining momentum and achieving long-term success. Imagine a campfire. Without constant fuel, it slowly dwindles and dies. Similarly, a team needs regular doses of motivation and support to keep the flames of passion and determination burning bright. The book provides practical tips for fostering a supportive team environment. It encourages regular communication, active listening, and celebrating both big and small wins. It emphasizes the importance of recognizing and appreciating individual contributions, creating a culture where everyone feels valued and supported. In summary, motivation and support are the driving forces that keep a team moving forward. Regular communication, active listening, and celebrating wins are essential for a thriving team environment. If you found these insights valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content on team dynamics and personal growth. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.